Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit geometry using the transform node in Geometry Nodes. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so don't worry if you're just starting out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. As always, I'm working in Blender 4.3. Let's start with a new project, which gives us the default scene. First, go ahead and delete the light and camera. Then select the default cube and switch over to the Geometry Nodes tab to get started. In Geometry Nodes, I like to start by cleaning up the workspace. I don't really use the spreadsheet, so I close that. Then I turn on snapping to keep things neat, and hit New to set everything up. By default, you'll see a group input, which holds our starting shape, the cube, and a group output. To start editing it, we'll add a transform node and drop it on the connection between them. With this node, you can move your shape around, rotate it, or change its size. Most of the fields in a node can actually be animated. Let's make a simple animation in Geometry Nodes. First, make sure you're on frame 1. Hover your mouse over the translation fields and press I to set a keyframe. Do the same for rotation and scale. You'll see the values turn yellow when a keyframe is set. Now jump to the last frame, which is frame 250. In the translation fields, set them all to 5 and press I again to keyframe it. For rotation, set it to 360 and keyframe that. Then for scale, change it to 5 and add a keyframe too. Here's a quick Blender shortcut. Press the / key while your object is selected. This focuses the view so your object is centered. Now go back to the starting frame and hit play. You've got a simple animation. And that's it for this quick tutorial on modifying geometry in Geometry Nodes. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. I'd also love to hear your tips or feedback on how I can make these videos even better. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and feel free to share your projects with me there. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials.